Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy. Rover auction review round two in a day. And this is really about how bad you want green. How bad do you want your Tonga green L322 Tonga green Rover? Are you willing to forego additional details and shortcomings to get your green L322? Well, it seems like most people are, and well, we got one. It's for sale. It's in Florida. It's at an independent dealer. It's not priced inappropriately, but not priced for there to be much margin. It doesn't have a whole lot of miles on it, and it's green. It is a Tonga green 06 L322, which I personally can't do an 06. Everyone's got their own take on it, but the more BMW interior and whatnot with some codes, can't really do it. So what do we got? We got, it says active leaks. It's a Rover. You got to put that. You've got some codes, some emissions codes, I believe. Scratches, dings, dents, normal things. But overall, it seems to be in pretty good condition. It doesn't look to be rusty. You got clean headlights, which really, emphasize the green paint. It's in low mode for some reason. It doesn't show a fault or anything like that, but for some reason the indicator does show that it is in low mode. You've got some Continentals and you've got some Michelins on it, so a little bit of a mismatch on the tires. Lots of little spotting and whatnot. The car looked like it was sitting, me in the back of the lot up against the fence. Birds sit in trees over, kind of defecate on the back end of the car depending on how it's parked. So that's kind of one thing that I noticed. So it's probably sitting for a little while. The interior seems to be in pretty okay condition. Steering wheel's got some marks on it. You got a tire pressure light on. You've got your cats. You don't have a rust underneath. Yep, there's your key that's probably stuck in there. I know is the car on in the picture? I'm not sure. But it doesn't seem to be overheating. The screen looks a little faded there, but it does look better in the other pictures. Headliner doesn't seem to be saggy. The roof paint seems to be intact. It's like I said, if this is what you're looking for, it's not bad at all. It's not what I am looking for. I'm always looking. I do my own drugs. But it does have a tow bar, and it looks like it has the hookups, at least some of them, for the 3-prong. I don't know if it's got the full integrated setup. But again, everything seems fine. Your cup holder on the passenger side is a little bit damaged. It just needs to be detailed and clean. Again, I probably got it for a pretty good price. It's missing all the front bits for cladding, and there's a couple little oil drips. So yes, it is a Land Rover. It does have leaks. That looks like oil from an oil cooler or something like that. I don't know. That's a tough one. And there's not even, I can't even make offers on the dealer auction website that we use. So he's pretty firm on the price, I guess. We'll see. But it has orange coolant and it is green. So you're paying the tax for that. And some people are willing to do it. You didn't have a little bit of a running video, so appreciate that. On their end, most independent dealers with listings on Manhunt do not put any of that in. So we do see it running and not driving or anything like that, but proves that it's an alive vehicle. AC's on, yeah, that's where it's just showing that the suspension's in low mode for some reason. Maybe it's not blinking. It could not be an issue, but thought it was odd. Sunroof works. I would not have opened that if I were the gentleman selling it, but hey, everyone likes to get their rocks off one way or the other. So again, Tonga green 06 L322 looks to be in pretty good condition. A couple owners. Oh, one owner. I forgot. It's one owner truck. Take it for what you want. If you're interested in this truck, shoot me an email, link below, and we can see if we can grab it for you. Talk to you later.